Many climates have the same issue. So during winter time, southern part of United States will have cold front and a lot of plants will be killed. You need to protect them. If you're on a north side of a country, you will have returning frost during springtime. It's when your fruit trees are flowering, but once they already opened flowers, or maybe your fruits already said they are small, and you got hit with frost. So I remember we had 2 plum trees and they never produced because they always will be flowering very early in spring, and then all the blooms will be just damaged by cold front. But rest of the fruit trees were fruiting, blooming much later. That's it. So variety matter. It's usually there are some specific fruit trees which likes to wake up way too early. For example, apricots, peaches and nectarines too. But the first one will be apricots. They really wake up way too early when sun is hitting them, but it's already like can be snow. Yeah, I read a story that you have snow around. Apricot will be hitting by sun during winter time and wake up way too soon. But in Florida we have a different issue. We have frost and hard freezes. We had by this winter 4 times. It was very hard, and a lot of people actually they plant trees, but they don't account the fact they need to protect them. But in order to protect them, you need to avoid several issues. First of all, you cannot rely on forecast, because forecast is forecast on 6 feet from the ground level. But you need to protect your trees on a ground level. And for example, if forecast will be 40 by Fahrenheit, on my lowest spot, coldest spot, I will have frost. So how do I know that? Because I have 3 sensors on my yard and I know there is a huge difference. So you know that in the environment. You cannot rely on forecast. The next thing, you need to know how to really protect your trees. A lot of growers lose their trees because they didn't protect or they protected it wrongly. Yes, there is a lot of knowledge behind it, how to do that. You can Google, yes. So this time a lot of people lost their trees. I'm assuming they will be completely ruined or maybe a little bit beyond graft survived. Most of my trees actually probably in a good shape. I did some mistakes too. Not that like other people, they completely killed their trees by using wrong material to protect them, like frost cloth, which actually not hard freezes. It's only for frost, for 32 degrees. It's basically for 30 to 32 degrees. The first mistake, they use wrong material. Frost cloth will be working on horizontal application, not on that one. On horizontal application, you trap a lot of heat from ground. Was successful for me. I had some pots which I need to protect. They were 3 feet height, and I was not able to move it because of heat. So I leave them outside, group it together, and I placed some stakes so my bed sheets will not touch leaves. They anyway touch, but it wasn't significant damage. So I trapped a lot of heat from ground, and I have stake, so I will have like canopy, like a tent around my plants. I put a lot of bubble plastic wrap inside, so to have some kind of layers. So you need to have layers like a thermos. That will be the best. It will be the best if you don't have heat source like I don't have it. So I did that way. Another mistake when you do as a lollipop, because in that case you are not trapping heat coming from ground. And actually it works for us because our ground quite warm, because in Florida we had such a warm winter. It's like almost every single day it was 75 up to 80s. Our soil was in 70 range, 70 Fahrenheit range. And if you have tree which is grow like that, it's not really horizontally. If you try to put it all that any material, plastic without heat source, on the top several feet, you won't get a lot of heat. Actually, that's what happened to my trees. I tried to cover the whole tree because it's only 6 feet tall, and I had a lot of moving blankets in my home. So I use moving blankets because I'm much thicker to compare to any frost cloth or bed sheet, and they are not really so dangerous as plastic, because once leaves touch plastic, they burn. So plastic can work, but you need to be careful. You need to trap a lot of heat from ground, and it's much better when you combine plastic with some sheets. And actually there are specific material which actually blocks so much of cold from outside. I think it's called 8 degrees, so you need to look up. So that's commercial products. Whenever we have in big box store or maybe at Amazon, it's not gonna work when you forecasted it's 29 or 26. Orlando was hit with 26, but in reality on ground level it was 20. Like I was supposed to be, my area was supposed to be hit by 29 by Fahrenheit, but I recorded 20 on the ground level. And we had hard freeze from 10 p.m. until probably 9 p.m. Depends on location. So a lot of people learn it hard way, but still, despite the fact so much information, some people still didn't get how to protect their trees, and they need to start to protect their trees from bottom to up, not from up to bottom. If you protect your canopy, it doesn't matter if your graft point fail, if your trunk of your tree frozen, cambium is dead, it's not gonna work. You don't need canopy if your trunk is dead. The first thing you have to protect from bottom. If you can protect 2 feet or 3 feet, I actually go check on a pinned comment. I did a lot of pictures how I protected my trees. It was difficult to record on the video everything, so I did pictures. So go and take a look. And going forward, I probably will replace my moving blankets with that specific protection material, which actually 8 degrees, because there is a big drawbacks of moving blankets. They are dark color. They are dark blue or black. During daytime temperature, where the sun is heating and it's like 50 Fahrenheit, it's getting warm up. Inside it's gonna be very, very hot. It can burn your leaves. The same goes actually with clear plastic, the same danger. But that specific material supposed to be fine to leave around your trees for several days. That's exactly what I need, because I was tired to go unwrap all my trees in the morning and the evening, and I was not able to do any work, any consultation. I have to cancel. I was busy whole week. I don't want to do that anymore. Go and check my guide how to protect your trees.